Pink fairy, 1, 2, 3. Come on, let's get fancy, fancy. Pink fairy, shop with me. Let's go to Target, Walmart, Aldi. Pink fairy, 1, 2, 3. Come on, let's get fancy, fancy.
Hi guys, happy Sunday. So we went to Walmart's, got some coffee creamers. We got 3 different kinds. I'm gonna show you guys. Got a bag of these. I did it, just the pumpkins. I got me thick of gum. I love this extra gum. The mint kind, it's really good. And you get these and it lasts me forever. And then we got some of these new chips. Well, they're new to us. They're roasted red peppers. And they're also multi-grain. And they're really good. Comes with the salad. They're really delicious too. Have you guys had them? No? They must be out a while because it don't say new or nothing on them. And just we never pay attention. We won't buy a whole lot of chips from Walmart. And yeah, my hair looks a mess because I had a shower before we left. And I didn't want to pin it up. Make a big old, bubble mark. Anyways, here's my salad. I got the Southwest avocado salad. It's got tomato, the chicken. I got the full salad. Avocado, a little bit of bacon, and a little bit of cheese. This salad is, and then it's got, I'm pretty sure it's romaine, it's not lettuce. And then they give you 2 of these with the full salad. The Southwest Ranch, oh, it's so good. And they're 80 calories a piece, but I only put 1 on because the salad, usually the avocado makes it pretty moist, so you really don't have to. But if you use both of those, this whole salad is 440 calories. So that's not bad at all. It's better than getting what I usually get, Dave's sandwich and all that. And fries and a drink. This is my favorite salad. It's so good. I love it. Now see, if I made this at home, I'd put way too much chicken, way too much bacon, way too much cheese. So I need to learn to make them like this. That avocado makes it taste the best. Tim loves the salad too. And it is good, guys. I could eat those every day. And like I said, I didn't get no pop. I got water. Yes, I did. So, I thought it was pretty good. I think I did pretty good. I didn't get my tapeworm out now, so it's like, okay, guys. Why didn't you get your tapeworm to do this mukbang with? But oh well. I'm not real sure on their other calories they got. Or the calories on their other salads. They have, one with some berries in it. This one was supposed to come with some roasted, what is it, walnuts?
Almonds.
Almonds, but they didn't give them to me. So, That cuts down on the calories. I don't know how much, but they usually give you a bag of little almonds, and they're like really salty though. And they didn't give them to me this time. And I just now realized it. I thought I didn't have one. I was like, wait a minute, where's the almonds? But oh well, that's okay. I got a fan over here beside me when I'm hot. I'm burning up. It's 82 out, but it's not like really muggy. But when you sitting in the sun in the car, it's hot. You guys probably see me eating these salads a lot. I hope they have them all winter. I can't remember how long they had them winter. I just went the other day. I was wanting to get some lunch or dinner or something. I can't remember which one it was. I was like, man, I need a salad, not no fast food. Not no hamburger and french fries. I was just looking, I seen this one, I was like, ooh, give me this one. And the hair's blowing. Do that so it won't blow. Oh man. They only have like 4 to choose from. Isn't it 4 or 5 salads?
Yeah, 4 I think.
4.
Because they always have the topping salad.
Yeah, and it's way high in calories.
And this is like chili poured over a salad, which
They're chili,
as much
yeah.
taco to it, but
Yeah, it's just their chili poured over a salad, yeah. And it's high in calories too. It's like 600 or 700 calories.
and they got the berry mix thing.
Berry mix, that's what it is.
They don't have the Mediterranean because that was your favorite for a long time.
They got rid of it.
But they had something new to it.
The Mediterranean. Because they said they wasn't selling because we asked them. They said they'd sell like 2 of them a day. That's not enough for them to keep it in there. I liked it.
I sure would. I would say I would.
If you was what?
I would say I keep it no matter what.
Yeah, I would too. But it's all about making money, so. They ain't gonna make no money from it. They're not gonna sell it. Good. Like I said, I end up not making that stir fry, so I'll make it tonight. I'll sit down and do my menu plan for the week. It really helps me not want to go out to eat if I get a menu plan. Like, nope, I'm making this for dinner, so I don't have to say, oh, no, let's just go out to eat, want to? Because I already have my meal plan. Also, eating salad takes you longer to eat it. A little bit slower. I guess it's more like a mix. Because it's got that kind of lettuce in it too. Well, they call it like a spring mix or something like that. I'm getting hungry. It's 2 o'clock here. Actually, now it's 2:30. 3. We ain't had no rain in a long time, so the grass they don't need cut or anything. It was a really beautiful day out yesterday. It was nice and cool, and everything was set outside. We all sat outside in the shade. It was so nice. It sure was. I'm just using that stir-fry mix that we get from Aldi's. And then we'll make my own chicken. I just fry up the chicken in avocado oil, seasoning, cook it, and then dump the veggies in and let them saute down. A big piece of lettuce. I should have added some onion to this. I love onion and salad. And bell pepper. But believe it or not, this salad fills me up. It really does. Tim closing up the chip bag and dogs come running. They hear it, they're like, give me some chips. No, you're not. I'm definitely full, guys. I recommend you guys go try this salad. And if you do, let me know how you like it. I love it. I love this salad, so I'm sure they're gonna keep it around. But then again, I think it's been there a while. I think. Because Tim said he's gone there before. I didn't really pay attention. I didn't really pay attention. It's still early, we might play some games. We'll see. I'm full. I know I say I'm full and I keep eating, but there's this much I'm eating it. I'm not gonna waste that much. This salad is $6.79. But you can also get one that's half, but they just give you less chicken. Which this ain't got much chicken in it, so it must give you like a couple bites of chicken. And it's only 220 calories. And one less. Oh, and then they probably give you one less pack of sauce too. I don't know why, it's the same amount of lettuce. Or romaine. It's not really lettuce. I don't like the restaurants that don't give you, just use lettuce. I don't like that. Kinda boring. Tomorrow's Monday, boo-hoo. Back to work and school, yay. Why can't it just stay the weekend forever? You know, what's really sad is people, you gotta work so much in life just to live. People shouldn't have to work as much as they do. In my opinion. But that's just me, and who am I? Nobody. Nobody. All done, guys. And I am truly full. So, if you guys get full quicker than I do, half will be good for you. I always get a full one though. How do you know how it is? It don't stick with you forever. Being how late it is and dinner, it'd be perfect for me. So I'm gonna get off here. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. My hair is going crazy, but I always say that, so it don't matter. And I need a drink. That sauce has got a tiny bit of spice to it, but it's not bad though. Thank you all for your support. I love you all very much, and hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye. Share, 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 share.